Hi, all. So we are here with interview question number 3 for sustainability engineer. That next question by interviewer could be, what do you know about CGP EPA standards or requirements? So we have summarized question with same as lecture number part number first and second. We have summarized and detailed answers. First, we have two type of answers for the summarize. Okay. Then you have to answer. If interview asks what do you know about CGP standards or requirement, you have to answer. All right. CGP EPA 2012 Construction General Permit, which is full form of CGP, is a US regulation to control stormwater pollution from construction sites. It requires preparing and implementing a SWPPP, means Stormwater Pollution Prevention Plan, before starting any construction or any work. The permit focuses on erosion and sediment control, which in short form ESC, based management practices to prevent soil and pollutants entering waterways. It also requires regular site inspections, documentation, and corrective actions after rain events. Proper waste management, material storage, and spill prevention are also key compliance parts. Overall, CGP ensures construction activities meet environmental standards and protect water quality. Our second way to answer in a summarized way is the EPA 2012 Construction Development Permit CGP sets environmental requirements to control stormwater discharge from construction sites disturbing 1 acre or more of land. I think you know that what is acre is. It's the area for the land. It focuses on erosion and sediment control, pollution prevention, stormwater management practices, site inspections, documentation, and compliance reporting to protect water quality during construction activities. So we have here a full detail that uh, what are actually EPA CGP 2012 requirements. First, we have definition that CGP Construction General Permits 2012 is a permit issued by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency to control stormwater discharges from construction activities. Purpose is to prevent pollution of rivers, lakes, and drains. Next is reduce sediments, chemicals, oil, cement washouts entering water bodies, and ensure construction sites follow environmental compliance. Where it is applicable to construction projects that disturb uh, greater or equal 1 acre of land. Also applies to smaller sites if part of a larger common plan or any building or area or any project which is on which there is any green building system is applicable. What are main focuses of CGP? CGP 2012 mainly controls stormwater runoff pollution. Key pollution sources at construction sites could be or maybe soil erosion and sediment runoff, concrete washout, and sediment slurry. Actually, these are the activities by which can produce pollution at site. Fuels, oils, and lubricants from machinery, paints, solvents, and chemicals, and waste materials and debris. Main objective is keep pollutants out of storm drains and water bodies through site control and monitoring. So this is all about main focus area of CGP, its key pollution sources and main objectives. Now, what are core requirements under CGP. In last slide, we saw here you can see prevent pollution, reduce sediment, and ensure construction. So now we will define each and every. First, we have SWPPP, Stormwater Pollution Prevention Plan. A project must prepare and implement a SWPPP that includes site description and drainage map, construction sequence and activities, pollution prevention measures by best management practices, and inspection and maintenance plan. Number second is install and maintain best management practices. BMPs such as silt fences, sediment basins, and inlet protection, stabilized construction entrances, temporary or permanent soil stabilization, and stockpile management and cover. These are core requirements under CGP. Then we have inspection, monitoring, and documentation. CGP requires strong compliance tracking because we have a lot of requirement as sustainability engineer or manager. We have to make the inspection on after every 15 days as per CGP requirements with evidence like checklist, photograph, time stamp, uh, camera photographs, and a lot of things. So CGP has strong inspection, monitoring, and documentation requirements. Uh, in compliance or tracking, we have routine inspections, documentation, and corrective actions. In routine inspections, we have regular inspections, often weekly, and additional inspection after any rainfall occurs or rainfall events. In technical words, we have to check BMP performance and repair immediately. Best management practices also include, for example, if you have construction material at site or anything like we have wood pieces. So you can use wood pieces as a decoration at site, or you can made like tables or chairs on site. So this is also one of the best management practices. Documentation includes inspection reports, maintenance records, corrective action log, staff training records, and stormwater updates whenever site conditions change or when any rainfall event occurs. What we have corrective actions. If any control fails or pollution is observed, we have to fix it immediately, record action plan, record action taken, and update SWPPP if needed. Then we have next explanation for compliance roles and practical site implementation. Who is responsible for all these sustainability activities at any construction site? First of all, client or owner or operator of the project. For example, if you are working in Saudi Arabia or in UAE, for example, UAE, mostly government is responsible, but ADNOC is client, so they are responsible for owning that project. Or if we are working with in Saudi Arabia, NEOM in Red Sea or in uh, like oil company, they are the client, they are the owner of the project, so they are responsible. Environmental, next after that, contractors, environmental engineer or sustainability manager, they are responsible. Then site supervisor and subcontractors. What are practical compliance actions on the site? We have to conduct toolbox talks regarding stormwater awareness, proper waste storage and housekeeping. We have a designated area for the waste, especially construction and demolition waste, which is C&D, and housekeeping on the site. Then spill prevention and response plan should be uh, on the site where you have any chemical store or where there is any activity is going on. Then you have a specific place for concrete washout, uh, or you can say where you will wash your concrete transit mixers. Then protect storm drains are inlet. And last, stabilize disturbed soil quickly by protecting with geotextile or seeding. In summary, we have CGP 2012 ensures construction is done with environmental responsibility, responsibly by controlling stormwater pollution and protecting public water resources. This is all about CGP requirement. If interviewer asks you what are CGP requirements, because CGP requirement is a sustainability engineer or manager, CGP requirements are very important to follow. For that, we have many documentation and compliance like checklists, photographs, and a lot of requirements like plans, and especially after every 15 days we have uh, erosion and sediment control inspection. This is clearly written in CGP requirement document. So hope you enjoyed and understood the lecture. If you have any query, please let me know. Thanks for watching. We will meet with another lecture, which will be the question number 4 for the interview sustainability engineer or manager. Thanks for watching. Thank you.